Hello guys, happy Saturday. I'm gonna do a market update, short video, this one from my phone during the day, and in the evening I'm gonna have a deep dive into Bitcoin, looking more into alpha for the next week. That's gonna go to CoinViewer trading channel actually, and it's gonna come out in the evening. So remember that one. I'll publish it on Telegram, Instagram, as usual, and Twitter. Let's go with the daily time frame. Let's do the very quick update. And as you can see, the RSI daily has been coming up, putting higher highs and higher lows at the same time. And looking at the price action, this is the first day in this whole range within the widening pattern that we start the candle, the day, from above the point of control. So that is an achievement, a small achievement, I could say, but it's confirming my idea that the RSI daily is starting to show a shift in momentum. Small one, a weak one, but I'm taking note about it because it could be an early indication of something. Let's go into the 4 hour. Hello, 4 hour. There you go. The 4 hour is here. Yeah, okay. So we are in the breakout area, both on the price, on the RSI. There's 2 hours left to confirm that we are still above the resistance on the RSI. That resistance was RSI 55. At the moment is 54. Let's say 55 still. And I think it's very important to mention that I am willing to allow the RSI to come back inside during this weekend. It's going to be a long weekend. It's supposed to not end on Sunday. I think on Monday is still a bank holiday in the US. Therefore, we could potentially come back here into the PNR level at 48. We could visit the 47 as a last line in the sand. What I don't want is over this weekend to come back below this area. That increases too much the risk, in my opinion. We can still reclaim that, as we have seen previously in this squeeze. As we were developing this squeeze, this was like this was like that. So we did pretty much that already, right? So we broke out, then we fake out to the downside. We have to expand these two lines, place them like this. And I don't want to have the same setup that we break up to the upside, then we have a fake out to the downside, and then we repeat, rinse and repeat. That kind of thing is really frustrating. Although the previous time we spotted, we say the price is breaking out, the RSI is not, this is not our exit, and we were spot on that. In this case, the RSI has follow up, so it will be really frustrating to see that having the volume, having the RSI, having the price breaking out, still this is a fake out. And I think we are in a great area in here. We are facing the 98.2. And if you've been watching my channel this whole week, every time I cover the weekly, I continuously tell you that beyond 98.3 is where we go to the top end of the range on the weekly time frame. So it will be awesome if by Sunday we close the candle of this week beyond that 98.2. It's a tough one, okay? It's a tough one, and it's a mixed bag to achieve that over a weekend, particularly because it's a long weekend, and CME closed at 97.5. So if we manage to close the weekly there, we kind of have to come back to 97.5, below 98.3, of course, and then weak inside and hopefully reclaim it very quickly. And I think from the point of view of liquidity, that shouldn't be that big of a deal. At the moment, we already started with liquidations of shorts in the yellow area in here. And if you focus on the right-hand side, the purple kind of chart in histogram, you can see that from around 99, we could say, we start having quite a big chunk up until 99.5. And that could keep the price ranging around here And as long as we do that and we continue to potentially build a bull flag in this vicinity, not going that much beyond 97 and below, then we can still eventually get that. But we are in a tricky situation. It's a weekend. It's not nice that over a weekend we go into 101 in a long weekend. That is going to keep professional traders thinking, this might be a fake move. Probably by Monday we are going to retrace it, fill the CME gap, and that's the real move to the upside if there is such a thing that we can trust. And so I much rather that over the weekend we keep it boring. That's my preference. It's not my forecast. We might as well go to 101 by tomorrow in a mini rally, the typical rally over the weekend when we get one. We don't always get one, but if we do, we could get the 101 immediately. And if we do it over the weekend, I might consider reducing my long position if it's over the weekend. That could be an option. If you do appreciate these short updates, I know it's very short. The deep one is going to come in the evening. I don't want to give you too many things in this short video because I want to save it for the deep dive that is coming out in CoinViro Trading tonight. That's probably going to do 1 hour work to find proper alpha and share it with you guys. If you appreciate still these short updates in the middle of the day before that to keep you up to date, then hit the like, write down a comment, and don't forget to watch the video in CoinViro and giving a like and comments. There's so many haters. Whenever I put a video there, I get killed by the comments, people telling me that whatever I'm doing is absolutely ridiculously wrong. But we know there are so many trolls, particularly in big channels. But it's fine. It's fine. Just help me out and comment as well there. That kind of balance things out in a positive way, which I do really appreciate that support from you guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.